Palakpakan po natin ang Nesma versus the Focus Advertising for the third cut. At Safiro.
Nababantayan ko nga yung buwan namin, baka kunin nila.
And number 3 pass to Mariah for the 3-point shots. Yes! 3-point shot, allowing them to take the 3-point shot, breaking down all the defense here for the Nesma. They must start to make the anticipate for the real 3-point shooter here. A response here. No basket. And Wallace is here. Straight to the middle, off the dribble. A follow-up shot, no basket again. Off the dribble, he gets a follow-up shot, and no. That's a big problem here. Foul number 7. Second personal foul, first team foul here in the fourth quarter. Look at the beautiful! Napatayo ako! Jesus! Beautiful, gorgeous pass. This is an 8-time deadlock here, 53-53. Yes, a response here for the Focus Advertising. Sus, you know. And the score is 55-53, and the Focus Advertising is now leading on this game in the fourth quarter. There's a ball here, that's just to make a shot here, responsive for the Nesma. And a 9 deadlock here for the score, 55-55. Don't you know this is not an impressive game? Yes, the response again, this is a beautiful game. Kulang na lang natin ang fans dito. Beautiful talaga to. A shot, yan na, the point guard is here, attacking straight to the middle, make the shot. Basket, no basket. Foul Bonifacio number 3. Second personal foul, second team foul, Bonifacio. Check, microphone 2, check. And check, 1, 2. Okay, that's it. Thanks, man. Inbounds the ball with basket number 18. This is the first quarter, gentlemen. Yes, I got a pass. Feeling that moves in the eye, keep on the eyeing into the down lane. And the player comes to the keyhole and doesn't make a shot there. And everyone drives right in. For the side step here. No basket. The score is 59-57. And trying to make a shot, but make a push here. And 20 pass on number 20 here. Pedro is here. And pass on number 18. Now again, the weakest defense, but no basket here. Nagagawa ng bola sa ball position here. I've seen this was the first one, right? Save ball. Time out. Focus. And back to the ball game here, RF News. And back to the ball game here, trying to keep on shouting, RF News, RF News. Look at the spirit of the Filipino here. Inbounds the ball. Pass to number 18. On the first and cue to the low post area. No basket. Last 7 minutes and 56 seconds here. And even number 18. But look at that! What a defense! This is a very big problem to Focus Advertising here. The score is 61-57 here. And this is it. And number 2, dribbling the ball. Pass to the captain area. Low post. Fadeaway shot. No basket. Follow-up shot by Bonifacio. But a very good defense there. It's a traveling violation.